Apple has done it again with the iPhone 16 Pro Max. Released in September 2024, this phone pushes the boundaries of what we expect from a smartphone. It's sleek, powerful, and packed with innovative features. Let's dive in and see what this beast is all about. This year's model builds upon the successes of the iPhone 15 Pro Max while introducing some exciting new additions. From its powerful new processor to its enhanced camera system, there's a lot to unpack with the iPhone 16 Pro Max. Let's break it down. The iPhone 16 Pro Max retains the premium design language of its predecessor, ensuring that it feels both familiar and fresh. It features a durable surgical-grade stainless steel frame, which not only adds to its robustness but also gives it a sleek, polished look. The frosted glass back feels incredibly nice in hand, offering a premium tactile experience that is both smooth and grippy. Apple offers a range of stunning colors to choose from, each with its own unique appeal, allowing users to express their personal style. The display is a sight to behold, with vibrant colors and deep blacks that make every image and video pop. It's a spacious 6.7-inch Super Retina XDR panel with ProMotion technology, providing an unparalleled viewing experience. This means you get an incredibly smooth 120Hz refresh rate for buttery smooth scrolling and animations, making every interaction feel seamless. Whether you're browsing the web, gaming, or watching your favorite shows, the display on the iPhone 16 Pro Max is truly immersive, drawing you into whatever you're doing with its stunning clarity and fluidity. Under the hood, the iPhone 16 Pro Max is powered by Apple's latest and greatest A18 Pro chip. This new chip is designed to push the boundaries of what a smartphone can do, offering unparalleled speed and efficiency. This chipset is a beast, offering blazing fast performance and incredible power efficiency. Whether you're editing videos, playing high-end games, or multitasking, the A18 Pro handles it all with ease. Everyday tasks feel incredibly fluid, and even demanding games run flawlessly. The graphics are stunning and the gameplay is smooth, making it a joy for gamers. Multitasking is a breeze, thanks to the ample RAM. You can switch between apps without any lag, and the split-screen feature enhances productivity. Battery life is another area where the iPhone 16 Pro Max excels. With its advanced battery management system, you can enjoy longer usage times without worrying about running out of power. Apple has made significant strides in battery technology, and this phone easily lasts all day, even with heavy use. You can confidently leave your charger at home. You can expect to get through a full day of work, entertainment, and everything in between without needing to reach for the charger. It's a reliable companion for your busy lifestyle. The camera system on the iPhone 16 Pro Max is nothing short of phenomenal. It's designed to capture every moment with stunning clarity and detail, making it a perfect companion for both amateur and professional photographers. It features a triple lens setup that captures stunning photos and videos in any lighting condition. Whether you're shooting in bright daylight or in the dimmest of environments, the iPhone 16 Pro Max ensures your shots are always vibrant and clear. The main sensor is larger than ever, allowing for incredible detail and low-light performance. This means you can capture the beauty of the night with unprecedented clarity, making every shot a masterpiece. The ultra-wide lens has also been improved, offering a broader perspective that's perfect for capturing expansive landscapes and tight indoor spaces. And the telephoto lens offers impressive zoom capabilities. You can get closer to your subject without losing any detail, making it ideal for wildlife photography and distant subjects. But what truly sets this camera system apart is its AI prowess. The intelligent algorithms work seamlessly to enhance every shot, ensuring your photos look professional with minimal effort. Apple has integrated advanced computational photography algorithms that elevate your photos to the next level. These algorithms analyze every pixel to bring out the best in your images. Features like Smart HDR5 and Deep Fusion work behind the scenes to optimize every aspect of your image, from exposure and color accuracy to detail and texture. These features ensure that every photo you take is perfectly balanced and rich in detail. From exposure and color accuracy to detail and texture, the result is photos that are true to life, with vibrant colors and sharp details that make every image pop. Portrait mode is more impressive than ever, allowing you to capture stunning portraits with a professional look, with improved edge detection and bokeh. The enhanced edge detection ensures that your subject stands out sharply against a beautifully blurred background, creating a striking visual effect.